Happy Saturday, everybody. Guess what we're doing today? Doing something different. I'm on my way to the shop. So, we're gonna install some cool Viper decals on the Dodge Viper today. By the way, this is Parkland. I have to drive through Parkland to get to the shop. Maybe I'll take another snippet on my way home so you guys can see how the other half lives. This ain't my half. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, I'm getting busted here. There's some insane homes here. Oh my goodness. And you have to go 30. If you go 31, you'll get pulled over. Alright, so I'm going to be at the shop pretty soon, and we're going to do stuff with stickers today. See you guys in a bit. What we got? New bike. Well, I mean, it's not ours, it's a customer's. I'm just saying it's on my side. I got a few bikes, and I'm working on that one right now. A few new ones over here since I've been here last week. Oh, that's ours actually. We're selling this. He's for sale. Yeah. This Harley's pretty badass though. Customer put a lot of work into it. Cool, huh? Big fat trike, baby. And that's what we're working on today. Big Daddy. Hi, honey. That's what's up right there, boys. Alright. Alright, I gotta clean the office out because in the last week, Gary used it as parts storage. My desk. Got seat, headlights. He's got an upper on my work table. I'm gonna go over there and smack him now. Ooh, actually, I wanted to show you guys something. Hold on. There's a race bike here. I haven't seen this bike in a while. Yeah, it's like fun show and tell Saturday. It's KTM, strict flat out race bike, but I did the graphics on this. All custom. Hi, honey. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? This is a badass bike right here. It's KTM. It's got some balls. Oh, I'll be in a minute. Oh, and look at this. I want this. This thing is like cherry, dude. Look at that. It's an old guy. This thing is insanely clean. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, let me go smack Gary, and then we'll get to making stickers. Gas it! He had to pull it out for me, otherwise I can't work on it. It's a pretty sweet ride, right? Alright, no, we'll draw it. I know what I'm doing, Gary. I'm gonna.
I mean, even if the head is this big,
yeah. No, we'll do it like a. No, the head's gonna be like here because it's like this shape, and then the text is gonna be right. Oh, I don't know. You want the text to be
it
that?
Might be better on top, don't you think?
I think so. Only because you got this body line here, and I know you said you don't want it rolled, but the truth is, because it's just gonna look better.
I mean, the other way you could even do it, I don't even know if it works, if you put the big head and then you put Viper SRT10 right here. What about that?
That's not a bad idea. You know what? Let's do this. Back the truck out like there. I'm gonna take a snapshot of it really quick. And I'm gonna do like what I'm doing on Dana's car. I'm gonna just throw it in Photoshop really quick. We'll do it both ways. You tell me which one you like and we'll get her done. Alright. Nice ink. Seriously, Gary? They make...
I literally have 1 mile of gas. That's why
I was going to say, they make motors for that, you know, rolling it back in.
Good enough?
Yeah, that works. 1 mile of gas. Yeah. In this truck, that'll get you like 5 feet. All right. All right, guys. I got to make a picture. Put a mask on. Oh, here comes Gary. Where is he? Oh, I knew I heard him. Whee! That thing sounds cool.
Yeah, that sounds sweet.
You know Gary's loving that shit. He's an old school motocross dude. You're making him feel young for 5 minutes. Don't forget to put a mask on your motocross bike. You don't want him infecting the truck. How many men does it take to put a bike in a truck? I'm just kidding. Alright, back to the stickers. Hey, check it out. Oh, I'm gonna unbox it. This is the special color we got for the Viper. It's probably gonna be hard to see. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Brand new roll of awesome. Yeah, I'm trying to zoom in for you guys so you can see the flake in it. But far away, you know, it just looks like this is gorgeous electric blue. Identical match to the factory Dodge blue stripes on there, so we can have some fun now. Alright. Hey, you want to see a couple minute quickie of how I actually do this quick? Gotta throw this on here to show Gary, so got my picture of the truck on the side here. I got a right-sided picture too. And then, oops. Stop it. Hang on a second. It's not cooperating with me. Stop choking on yourself. Anyway, this is my graphics program here, Omega. So that's what it looks like in color. I hit F8, goes back to blue, then I hit print screen. Get out. And I'm gonna do new, and we're gonna paste, and I'm gonna take, that's a print screen of my thing there. I'm just gonna clip this here and hit enter, and then what I do is, he wants to see it both ways here, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take my little selection box, grab the Viper, and drag that piece over here, edit, gotta make it a little bigger. Obviously it's pixelated, but it doesn't matter. This is just for placement. And I'm going to get rid of the white. Deselect. Oop, there's a little piece of white there. Alright, so probably that's that layer over there. We're going to select it. Actually pinch it down just a wee bit. Like that. Alright, put that there. And we're going to go back to this. Deselect that box, and then we're gonna pick the old snaky guy, bring him over here, we'll reduce that, open this up, and we're going to scale up the snaky. Gary wants it big, but let's get rid of the white so it looks real against the background of the truck, sort of. And picture's a little dark. Anyway, right, so that's layer 2, there's layer 1. I don't know. That's the other way Gary wanted it. I'm not digging it. Yeah, alright. So, that's one. Gonna duplicate all the layers, make a copy of that truck over here. So we're gonna bring that one down, and then we're gonna do this the other way. Let's select that layer. Move it here. Gonna reduce it down a little bit. See, once the letter's a little smaller than the old snaky. I think maybe the snake should be a little smaller too. Edit, transform, scale, go down a little bit. Alright, that's the second way. See, that's all there's to it. I'm not giving away any more of my secrets. We'll be back. Alright. Alright guys, I did the other side already. We're gonna do this side now. You see how it's done. Gotta do the old wipey. I already marked off my spacing there. Make it even with the other side. For graphics like this specifically because it's transfer tape, you guys should always put this on wet. That's why you're all getting pimples and wrinkles and shit, because you're putting it on dry. This is special application fluid, but if you don't have it, put 5 drops of dish detergent per spray bottle and you're good to go. So, got the snake. Take the transfer tape off. It's a little windy out here today. And what I do is make sure I wet it down good. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm going to wet the area where I put it on. When it's hot out like this, you have to work a little bit quickly. So there's my marker. See, that's why you want your like soapy helps, because you see how I can move this around here. And then you get, and not only that, now you'll see when I go to, that's good, right, Gary? I mean, I'm right on my marker. It looks straight to me. All right. Anyway, so just push all the liquid out. And I actually use 2 different ones here. I mean, you'll never get good results. I mean, you'll get the best results using liquid method for all you guys doing your boats and your trucks and all that. Not quite dry enough. That's gonna solve your pimple and wrinkle problem. And in this heat, you can, even though it's still moist back there, you can slowly roll it back. The way to take off application tape on big guys like this is at about a 45-degree angle down. Slowly roll it, because the little corners and stuff that are still wet may pull off. But that's okay, you just push them back down. But usually if you do it right, no pimples. And if you see little ones, it's usually just water. You just look off to the side, you'll see a little pimple here and there, but there aren't any. This is perfect. And you just push it out with a little squeegee. There she blows. Alright, now we're going to put the lettering right here. Let's get that. Peel this off. Where's my marker? There we go. Gonna go right next to it. And I actually have a little spacer right here. Let's see. It's gonna go right there. There she blows. Oh, where's the yarns? Let me just get back here. Yeah, we're good. All right. Perfecto. Alright. Oh, I'm losing garbage. See if this is dry enough to... Ooh, sexy. Yeah, you see what happened there? It was wanting to lift a little. I just used my finger to... And again, I'm still pulling down on an angle. And slowly. There we go. Gary's standing back there, he's all excited. Boys and their toys, you know. Alright, our baby's sexy now. Sexified. Alrighty. Good. There we go. See that? Pretty cool, right? Get the other side. There she is. Pretty awesome. Say hi, Gary. Anyway, that's how you get her done, boys and gals. So we got a couple extras we're gonna stick on here, but that's about it. That's what we're doing. All right, man. Peace. No gardening today. Stay green, little wild and dirty doesn't hurt either. And blue. Icky out. All right, and then one quick add-on. We did a little. I did a little Viper in the window, just I don't know if you could see it. Viper in the window. And then I added the little one in the back here. Gary wanted a little one. I'm gonna get out of his way. He's gonna get gas now. He's got no fuel. Uh-oh, wasp. Anyway, watch that thing don't fly in a truck. Alright guys, peace. Cool ass truck. Punch it! He's not gonna. Only has 1 mile to empty. Look at this thing. Cool, huh? No, I just wanted to get the sound on there because I just love the sound of that one. I don't videotape everything. Gary's camera shy. That bike just is sexy. All right, that's what the KTM sounds like. That's the bike I showed you earlier in the video that I did. Sexy. Okay, Gary's gonna strap her up and I'm leaving. Shh. Say bye, Gary. Ooh, I forgot. I wanted to show you something in my office really quick. My prized possession. That picture is humongous. It's hard to tell in the video. That's me. And that is my most beloved horse of all time. Spider-Man. He was famous. That's my treasure. Alright, bye.